there is 4 sales. One of them is an estate sale in the same kind of complexy area.
Okay.
Oh no.
Estates.
Is that? Oh yeah, that's the garage.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here we go.
Okay. Yeah. So where do you park?
Yeah, it's a good question.
So that's not the one.
No, but it is
One of the ones. Oh wait, what did I say it was? 33.9. Yeah, that is it. The Buckingham. So there's supposed to be 3 other ones. Now I don't know if you have to go around.
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
search. Let's go.
Yeah.
Morning.
Good morning.
No, she's posting this stuff. Not that I know of. Hey, you two.
Hello. Good. How about
Good.
you?
Doing well. Doing well.
Lots of stuff. Is there 3 other sales too on here?
There's 5 altogether.
And is
There's
it
an estate
around?
Yeah.
Okay. I wasn't sure how far down we should go, so we should just turn in right here and come
Yeah.
around. Okay. So how's life been treating ya?
Good. You?
Good. Good.
Good.
Yeah. I wasn't sure with the.
I always love your posts. I go, oh, I like that. I got all around town.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. What does she have a price at though? I think she wants
If there's no price
what's this?
and you have to ask, you can't afford it.
Oh, look at these, are nice. Wow, they're like new. They still have the
Oh yeah.
sticker on there. But they're just chrome. They're nice, but
Yeah.
yeah, that's a nice one. Let's see how much it is.
Yeah.
You don't think that's not the right yellow, is it? For uranium or Vaseline?
No.
No.
Did you have an idea what you were wanting for your picture frame there?
The old one on top of the dresser. I'm looking.
This?
Yeah.
I see. There's no price on it.
I think that's Pam, that might be
Yeah, it's
hers.
pounds. Pound.
Yeah. Yes, pen.
Okay. You see this?
Oh, the old
It's a
record
10.
record holder. 10.
Yeah.
Is that too much for you?
Well, I have a few that I'm not using yet. I
do you?
hate to spend too much on one.
Well, yeah,
Yeah.
okay. $10 for that frame?
Okay. Well, we'll think about it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Oh, these. Okay.
Okay.
And you know,
We'll carry on?
Too,
Yep.
maybe she doesn't like it, but they operate independently.
Yes.
Those are like Avon
Oh, yes. Oh, it's,
Avon stuff.
is that the lid for something? It's pretty fancy. Oh, it's probably a lid for this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Neat.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You wanted this?
We were considering, yeah.
For you, 5.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
And you got your, oh yeah, your chandelier. Are you loving it?
Yes.
Good.
How about this one?
Like this. Oh, she's cute too, but
Oh, we can do better than that. $7 for both.
okay. Talk me into it.
You see this little tomato set?
Yeah, my mom had a similar set. Yeah,
Yeah.
they're so cute.
It's funny, eh?
Yeah. But they are quite collectible, so I think you'll probably do well with them.
Well,
They're occupied Japan. Thank you.
Yeah.
Kind of interesting, isn't it? If you had like Asian decor.
Yeah, it's nice. Mother of pearl there.
Looked like it was just, oh, a jar to put your hugs in.
A jar of hugs.
I don't collect them, I give them away.
Do you?
Yeah.
For free?
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. Oh. She has a pug.
Oh.
Yeah, you should go pet him. Remind you of Spud. Right? He's the same shape and everything.
Can I pet your dog?
Aww.
She's all about people and attention.
I just lost my pug a year ago.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, aren't they loving?
and this beauty, she found, I was looking for an antique chandelier, and she found it for us.
With the glass arms and
Yeah, with the
everything.
glass arms.
Yeah.
Oh,
I know, I was like, oh,
I'm telling you, I owe you big time.
pff.
No, you just, I got it because of you.
I got it put up and that was so good. And
You're not interested in cameras then? Like my
Old
husband.
camera, antique cameras.
Yes.
Yes.
Like, yeah, absolutely.
Why don't you
Yes.
go with Marla?
Absolutely.
My husband was a photographer and that was back in the old days, you know?
Yeah.
Make some room here.
Take
Okay,
that
just put it
off your hands.
Yep. Stick this down here.
Yeah, we're friends of Pam's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Pam's my sister.
Oh, is she?
Yes. Okay, this is the stuff. And you can't get much more antique than all that. I don't even know what it is.
Oh, so that's a light meter.
Okay. Well,
I believe, anyways.
anyway, it looks like there's a camera in here. I don't know. I don't know. This is all, like I said. And then there's whatever's in here. Guess we should get this. Oh, that's whatever. Whatever, you tell me.
Oh, yeah, a flash.
Okay. Oh, this is a camera. Well, that's an oldie. There's a lens in here too somewhere. Big long lens.
Wow. Now, I'll tell you off the bat, I don't know a lot about cameras. I just like the look of the old cameras.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know a value. Do you?
No, and Pam was going to take it to the photographers at the Leader Post
I see.
and get prices on it. Are you interested in any of this stuff?
Believe it or not, the one I like the most is probably this one that looks like it might be broken.
Pretty old.
It's got it's missing the lens.
Or is that cardboard just covering it?
Well, that's a
Where did
good
it come out of
question.
this? Is it in there?
I think so. I think that was the first one you
And
pulled
here's
out.
here's a big one.
Oh, goodness.
That's a big lens.
Yeah, see, I think that would be worth quite a bit of money. I don't
it?
know that you'd want to sell that at a garage sale for cheap.
Like I said, all this.
Some of this stuff, like this and this Olympus, is probably valuable. I would think maybe Pam's idea to show the leader post photographers might be a good idea.
Okay.
This one, however, I have a feeling that this one is not in working condition, and so I would take it for aesthetics, for just the way it looks.
Okay. And how much would you pay for it?
I wouldn't really want to pay much more than $5.
He likes this one.
Yeah.
But do you have any ballpark figure?
Yeah, like
I would
I don't know
prefer-
value. I just collect them because I like how they look.
I don't know value either.
I think most of the ones I collect probably don't work. And if these ones work, they may be worth more than what I'm...
No, why don't you just tell us give us your offer?
Oh, well, like I
No,
was
we
saying
trust
$5
you.
or $10 for that one. And these other ones, like this Olympus with this lens, looks very valuable. I think
Yeah.
that should be something that a photographer looks at.
Yeah.
That
Okay.
lens is...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's not something that
Okay,
you'd
I'll
want to
get one
let
of
go
our
at a garage
photographers
sale,
to
I
look
don't
at
think.
This one here? Is that
Yes, and then there was this...
Oh, yeah. Just that itself is probably really expensive.
Yeah. This
That little
doesn't...
guy's cute.
Yeah,
Did
that's...
it come in here? Is that?
No, I think it was
I don't know.
in this...
Oh, this goes with this one.
Yeah,
I don't know.
yeah.
Was it? I
Yeah.
don't know.
I
Same brand.
I think it was in this case.
and then there's-
It's a,
Well-
like I like that, like $10, but I just don't know what it's worth.
Oh, not
Let's
mine.
go. $10.
I
have $10 if you.
I think I've got a 10.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you.
Well, I certainly appreciate that.
and then
That's,
there's going to be the case to get rid of too, but
well, I think the case would go with whoever buys that camera would want
We'll want a case.
to have a case to go with it. Well, thank you, Lila.
you're welcome.
Yeah, and Pam,
Oh.
it's good seeing you again. I didn't expect to
too.
see you here.
Yeah.
You never know where I'm going to pop up, hey?
Yeah.
Well, good seeing you
Can't
guys.
get rid of us. We just keep showing up.
Well, that's a good thing. Yeah.
Take care.
See you later.
I think that's for a projector because it'll have a plug-in somewhere.
yeah, it does.
And then that part can go to the wall.
Right. Yeah.
That's pretty neat, eh?
Projector table.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Like the 70s, the 60s, the 50s.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Just
Well.
as we were leaving, we thought we weren't gonna find anything.
Yeah.
Pam comes out.
Yeah.
Gives you a deal on the
she's so good to us.
gives you a deal
She's-
on your stuff, and then
Yeah.
mentions about some old cameras. So I
Yeah.
mean, God, I hope. Look at that.
I know.
Dog hair all over me now.
Yeah, that's okay.
I hope it's not worth like a fortune, and I only paid $10.
How- but we
for
don't
it.
know.
No, I don't know. So
So,
Well,
and they don't know,
we'll
and
find out when
they
we
don't,
research, I guess.
and they don't want it. So it's worth whatever someone will pay,
yeah,
you know.
yeah.
And you helped with the dog. And then your first right will be Woodham's Drive. Do you want me to say it like her though?
Sure.
300 meters. Turn right.
Very good.
Thank you. Do I have to pronounce things wrong though?
Yes, you do.
Oh. Because I was thinking, maybe I should have gone into run defense in case you were like trying to say no and it wasn't working. But you're pretty good.
Oh yeah. No, nice.
Okay, she made a pass at you.
Still, I did.